Hey guys, I'm Anya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be talking about skin texture. Now firstly, skin texture is very normal. For all my teenage girls out there, skin texture is absolutely normal. And for people who are wondering what skin texture is basically normal bumps, lumps, acne, scars or enlarged pores on the surface of your face. Now this is something everybody has and this is absolutely normal. कितना भी कुछ भी कर लोगे, कितना स्किन केयर कर लोगे, वो 100% skin texture तो never disappears. There's always skin texture, and whatever pictures or videos you see of celebrities and influencers on Instagram or on YouTube or on the big screen or on television, it's all edited, guys. You cannot get rid of skin texture 100%. But yes, there are things that you can do to improve the texture of your skin, and it can appear that the surface of your skin is smoother. So those are the things that we're going to be talking about today in this video. These are some things I follow and some things that I don't really follow regularly, but I always make an effort to follow those things. Now of course, I'm in no way saying that skin texture is bad or ugly and it's a mandatory thing to fix it. But of course, if you're someone like me who likes to work on their skin, to improve their skin, then of course this video is for you. But yes, if you're happy with whatever you have, I would totally recommend be happy with whatever you have, and in case you want to improve something here and there, then of course you can go ahead and do that. Firstly, we're going to be talking about what causes skin texture or bumps on your face. Now I want to mention everybody is different, everybody has a different skin, everybody has a different body, of course. So how my body will react to certain things, it is not necessary that your body will also react to the same thing in the same way. So definitely the first step towards skin improvement is know your face, know your skin, know your body. Examine, observe what suits and what does not suit to your face, and how your skin reacts to different things. So first thing that I would totally recommend is knowing what you have, and only then knowing the cause, and only then you can move forward, and only then you can take the necessary steps. Now of course, as I said, everybody has different body types and everyone's reasons for having skin texture is different, but there are some few common reasons that are causes of skin texture generally. First of them being dehydration. If you're dehydrated from the inside, you're not having enough water, and even if your skin is dehydrated means it lacks moisture. That can be one cause of skin texture. Second is pollution. If you are exposed to a lot of pollution on a regular basis and you're not frequently washing the face, frequently means only twice a day, not more than that. So of course pollution can be another reason. Then of course hormones. If you're probably in say 16, 17, 18, if you're 16, 17, 18 years old, you might be going through a lot of changes in your body, a lot of hormonal changes, and that can also be a main reason for you having skin texture. Now not only teens but also people in their 20s, 30s, you can have hormonal changes any time of your life of course. So hormonal changes can be one reason why you are experiencing skin texture. And the next one is stress. If you're having a lot of stress, that literally shows on your skin. Now for me, when I go through, say if I have my submissions in college or if I have my exams, I have to go through a lot of stress then, and my chin area gets affected a lot, and I start getting a lot of texture, a lot of bumps on my chin. So that is my body's way of telling me that okay, calm down. So observe these things, and only then you will get to know the main cause of your skin texture. Now of course, if you have dehydrated skin, or you are exposed to a lot of pollution in the day, or maybe you're going through hormonal changes, then your body tells you through your face, and usually that happens through either excessive production of oil on your face, or maybe building up of dead skin cells on your face, or even blocked pores. And that automatically leads to texture on your skin. Of course, if you have a lot of oil production on your face, a lot of blocked pores, that will lead to blackheads, whiteheads, that will again lead to pimples, acne. So of course, these are the things that build up to skin texture. So the same thing I said when I talked about my acne journey in my acne video. I first understood what the cause of my acne was, and I beat that cause, and automatically my acne was gone away. So similarly, whatever the reason for your texture may be, first know your body, observe the changes, treat that reason, and automatically texture will be gone away. However, there are some things that you can do if you have built up texture on your skin that are very common general lifestyle habits but can really change the texture of your skin. Trust me, all of these are tried and tested. These are the things that I do. Of course, one or two things are things that I know will do good to my skin, but I end up not regularly following those things. But I think let's take up a challenge together and let's just try to make our skin better together. Now finally, let's come to the lifestyle changes and the general habits that you can change and the things that you can do naturally to improve the texture of your skin and to reduce the texture of your skin. The first thing that you can do is physical exfoliation or chemical exfoliation. Exfoliation means getting rid of the dead skin cells on the surface of your face. Now texture can be caused because of accumulation of a lot of dead skin on your face. Thus exfoliating your face once in 10 days is very very important. Once a week definitely is very very important if you want to improve the texture of your face. I personally use the Face Shop honey and I want to say oat scrub if I'm not very wrong, but I will link down the scrub that I use. It's great for dry skin, it's very hydrating, and I can instantly see a difference in the texture of my skin when I use that scrub. It's really really amazing. The next thing and the most generic thing that I think almost everyone will tell you is to stay hydrated. Trust me, I don't do this. I don't do this, but I know if you have 1 gallon of water, that is approximately 4 liters of water, every day, you can see a difference in the texture of your skin within 1 week. And I'm not even kidding. Within 1 week, you will see a difference in the texture of your skin if you start having 4 liters of water every day. I know it's a lot. I don't even drink 1 liter. But I don't do this at all. But I try every day. I try to drink as much water as I can, and I think I will get there someday, but I will surely. I think let's just take up this challenge today. Whenever this video will go live, start drinking water, 4 liters of water per day for 1 week, and let's just see in 1 week where our skin is. Whenever I upload this video, I will start drinking from that very date, and then from that day till 1 week we can together do it. You can send me pictures on Instagram and or tag me in your stories, and we can definitely take up this challenge together, and let's just do this together. Let's just see if it really makes a difference. So 4 liters of water for 1 week, and let's see if that improves the texture of our skin. Now definitely when you drink a lot of water, your skin appears to be more plump, which gives an illusion that your skin surface is much smoother, and then your face is never dehydrated, it never looks dull. So water is like a miracle tonic for your skin. So definitely drink a lot of water, and remind me also in the comment section to drink a lot of water because I don't. Now the next thing that you can do is infusing vitamin A and vitamin C in the foods you eat, and in also the products you use for your skincare. So for example, when you're choosing your skincare, read the ingredients. Look for ingredients such as vitamin A and vitamin C. That helps in strengthening your skin, and it also helps in plumping the skin. It basically, what vitamin A does is it helps maintain the moisture, the water and the collagen levels of your skin, which leads to very plump, hydrated and rich looking skin. That's something we all want. And of course, we all know vitamin C is a well-known ingredient for skincare, and since so long it's been a constant patent skincare ingredient, vitamin C. It helps in reducing pigmentation, it works on the scars of your face, it works on the texture of your face. It's just a wonder ingredient. Now, not only products, having and consuming food rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, fruits, vegetables rich in vitamin A and vitamin C is again great for your skin and can change your skin. Literally, trust me, can change your skin. The next thing that you can do is wearing SPF or sunscreen on a regular basis. Inculcate that in your skincare routine, guys, please. I don't know how much you stress on this. Sun can literally damage your skin, and how it can lead to a lot of dark spots, it can lead to a lot of scars, it can lead to a lot of pigmentation, sunburns and whatnot, and that makes your skin appear even dull, which results in it gives an illusion that you have texture on your skin. So please apply sunscreen. Minimum SPF 30 should be something that you should be using on an everyday basis. And for 12 weeks, 3 months, I know it's a very big commitment, but 12 weeks, 3 months ke liye, apply sunscreen once a day regularly, minimum SPF 30, and see the difference in your skin. You will thank me later. And of course, sunscreen is not only meant for when you're going outdoors, when you're even indoors, because these days our laptops, our mobiles, even they have very, very bad harsh UV rays, which are literally very bad for our skin. So I recommend, even if you're indoors, even if it's raining, it's snowing, whatever it is, sunscreen is a must in your skincare routine, and that can literally help you. And all of these things are something I have personally tried and tested, and I know I have, though I said I don't drink water, but I have literally done that 1 week challenge earlier. I have tried doing that, zabardasti pani piyo, and then see the difference. And when you will see the difference, you will automatically do all of these things. And I have not just taken it from other videos. This is something I have gained from my own experience. I've tried these things, I've tested these things, and only then am I talking about this. So I'm 110% sure if you do these things, your skin texture will improve. I'm 100% sure. And even then, if it does not improve, then I think it's time to consult a dermat. But give your 100% to your skin, and it will give you 200% in return. Now, coming to the last point of today's video, which is layering your skincare. Now, I know a lot of people say that, oh, you don't need that 10 or 12 step skincare routine to take care of your skin. But I personally feel layering your skincare is very, very important. Zyada layers nahi ho, sirf 3 layers, 4 layers. 3 layers, it's good enough. Even 2 layers are enough if your products are thick enough. But layering your skincare is very, very important. What it does is, so for example, I applied a toner. Uske upar I applied my serum. So the serum helps lock the toner and the serum both in my skin. And then if I apply a moisturizer above the serum, the moisturizer helps lock the goodness of the toner, the serum, everything which is underneath, which is applied underneath the moisturizer. The moisturizer makes sure that everything is locked and absorbed in the skin. So layering skincare literally helps a lot, and it helps your skin to be hydrated all the time, to be plump all the time. And just अगर नहीं इतना सब कुछ स्किन केयर करना ना, जस्ट एक टोनर भी मत यूज़ करो, रोज़ वाटर यूज़ कर लो, रोज़ वाटर एंड अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, you will see a difference. You will genuinely see a difference. Now I am saying all of this कि ये करोगे तो difference दिखेगा, because मैंने करा है और मेरे को पता है, मैंने difference भी देखा है. So definitely moisturizer is a very, very important thing. Even if you're an oily skin girl, moisturizer is something you should never miss. And yeah, you can also use face oils to retain the moisture. Face oils, literally over the time when you use face oils, even if you are an oily skin girl, you can use face oils. Do not think that your skin is already oily, you should not use moisturizer or oils. Your skin is oily because it lacks moisture, it lacks the moisture it needs, and that is why your skin is producing more oils to retain that moisture. It is not because it is loaded with a lot of oils. It is because it lacks that moisture, so your skin automatically produces double the oil because it does not get the amount of moisture it needs. So do not skip your moisturizer, oily skin girls. Do not miss your moisturizer. And if you use face oils even help to smoothen the texture of your skin. So yeah, I would highly recommend layering your skincare. I love layering my skincare. I layer around 4 or 5 products every day and every night, and that genuinely helped. And even when on days I am not well and my skin is going through a lot, usually when you're on medicines, I mean, if you have fever and you're on medicines, your skin gets dehydrated very easily. Even on those days, I make sure I do my skincare, I layer my skincare, and within a week my skin is back to normal. So I know these things work, and that is why I'm telling you out of personal experience. So that is it, you guys. That is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. That were some tried and tested steps that you can take to improve the texture of your skin naturally. You do not have to do anything else. Just very basic lifestyle changes, not even lifestyle changes, some very basic steps. Of course lifestyle changes bhi hain, but some additional steps, and which are very very basic. Just these things you have to follow, and just follow this for 1 month or 2 months, and then you can definitely, you will be able to see a difference. And if you do see a difference, then don't forget to comment and let me know, or you can also DM me on Instagram and let me know that you did see a difference. And I really hope that this helps you, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.